Hi, my name is Betsy. I'm from Abdus Singapore. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Abdus AVS-311 V6P media control panel, which is designed for easy control of any AV projection system. It removes the needs for overcomplicated and multiple remote control handset. Furthermore, it supports most of the projectors in the market. This control panel has a logical layout of the power, source selection, and volume to operate the system. There is LED indication to indicate the different icon button. For the power on-off, it disables the rest of the control button when the projector is in a warm-up or cool-down mode. When the projector is on, you are able to select different sources. The wireless button is to select the projector to wireless or network input. There is picture blend button and a main volume. For the input, we have one composite, 3 VGAs, 2 types of microphone. One is a 3.5mm and the other is a 6.35mm. Last but not least, there is a mic gain, and this mic gain can be adjusted once the main volume is turned on. The installation is easy. You can simply plug and play our standard 2.54mm connector. The other alternative method, you can solder your wiring onto the PCB board and attach to the connector slot.